Y'all, there is something evil lurking out there in our keto community. Welcome to another episode of Keto Chronicles. So let me just tell you this. So my keto bread experiment was fantastic. A lot of y'all found it very interesting. And so thank you for the comments and all of that. But, I still had the keto bread and low carb tortillas left over. So I've been eating them like off and on. Normally I am a sweets person in general. I never used to be as a kid, but that's not the point. I really started really getting into sweets, but I'd be able to prevent myself from eating bad stuff, But let me tell you, when I was saying, if y'all watch to the end, one of the cons is you're hungrier all the time. But I have really discovered it makes me want sweets way more than I have ever expected in my life. Y'all, I was just realizing I had to cut whatever the heck it was that I was talking about because I was just going off way too long on a tangent. Getting back to whatever I was talking about before as far as the desserts. I tell you what, I had I'm ashamed to admit this, but 2 pints of ice cream, and it was like a Ben & Jerry's sort of with the chocolate chunks and cookie chunks and all of that, and a full-on big 6-inch by 6-inch piece of cake. All from, I swear, those keto breads and low carb tortillas. I'm just letting you know right now, I can't do that stuff. I don't know how you guys do it. But that brings me up to something else. You guys, there's something evil lurking in the keto world. And I'm about to do this big experiment because y'all liked my keto bread experiment, right? And I'm going to do this one thing only for you guys, but it's going to take me a long time. It's going to take me at least 2 weeks, if not more. So you'll see that video probably in the next 3 weeks, maybe a month. I'm going to really hope to do it earlier than that. But this is going to take a lot from me, and I will explain why in the video. But just letting you know, there'll be a really good new experiment video coming out. It'll be good for you guys to know, I think, or to at least see. I'm not going to go into it. It's just there's an evil lurking about, and I'm about to enter that world. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, I've got a pumpkin spice recipe coming up, and I'm not forgetting the garlic butter, whatever. I've got that recipe coming up in the next few days too. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell. I'll see you guys next time.